Hi guys, this is Abid. Art of Batik with Genting tool is not an easy task. Not only does it take time to learn, but it also requires a lot of practice. Flow in hand is matter a lot. It takes a lot of practice to do this, but after practice you will enjoy the flow of wax and delicate movements of hand with this amazing tool. As you know, batik is a wax resist art. We can apply wax on different surfaces and make the beautiful art pieces. I am sure you will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. I have already prepared my design for my batik. My today's batik topic is sea life. I draw half design on my sheet and I will repeat this design on the both sides of scarf. I have done my drawing on the fabric. Now I am going to apply wax with genting tool. Batik with genting tool is little tricky. You need to know where to start and where to end. When you complete your one motif, hold the genting tool and put the fabric piece on the nozzle of genting tool. Refill the genting tool when you feel wax is getting hard or ending. How to hold the genting tool in hand is very important. Balance of wax in genting tool is based on the position or angle of your hand. Flow is important during batik with genting tool. You can find every color in Under the Sea Life. Create the color palette according to your color scheme. All the sea creatures are painted. Let's paint the background. Apply the water on the surface of the fabric if you are working on large fabric. I am painting my fabric directly because my design is thick and I can handle the paint easily. Dancing plants enjoy the rhythm of water movements. Colors are rich and every single creature full of colors. This is an amazing example of design quality of nature. Thousands beautiful fish gives us a inspiration and take the creativity on next level. After the fabric dries, remove it from the wooden frame. Now it's a time to remove wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can find the link in my video description. My batik piece of art is ready after ironing and washing in hot water. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and be sure to press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.